More than 100 Jamaicans were stranded overseas due to the COVID-19 shutdown of the borders in mid-March. They were given a warm reception upon their arrival at the Normal Manley International Airport in Kingston on Wednesday. The approximately 115 Jamaicans arrived in the evening on a chartered TUI flight from the United Kingdom. Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Kamina Johnson-Smith greeted the group at the Normal Manley International Airport. Because of the island curfew, we are not able to make the island grill arrangement we were planning, but we think you will be comfortable over the next few days, Johnson-Smith said. We just wanted to know that we wish you continued good health and thank you for your understanding and your patience as we work through this together. Welcome home, she added.
I mean, for 14 days, if they check us like for 5 days and we're COVID free, I mean, send us home.
But we do hope that the arrangements that we've made for you on the North Coast will be sufficiently comfortable, even though I know you just can't wait to be home in your homes. But at least you're in yard now. Because of the curfew, we weren't able to make the little island grill arrangement we were planning. But we think you'll be comfortable over the next few days, and we just want to know that we wish you good health, continued good health, wish your families continued good health, and to just thank you for your understanding and your patience as we all work through this together. I know it's been tough. All right, so welcome home.
Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content. And remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.